Ode to Autumn, written by John Keats. In the first stanza, the poet gives us a description of the prolific bounties of autumn. Autumn is a season of mellow fruitfulness. Ripe fruits and flowers, grapes and apples, gurs, hazelnuts, and other ripe fruits appear at this time. Then late flowers and the bees together with honey come. It is a season of fruitfulness and joyousness. In the second stanza, we have a splendid personification of autumn. Autumn is personified under four pictures, typical of the season. First, as a harvester sitting carelessly on the granary floor during winnowing. Secondly, as a tired reaper falling asleep in the very midst of his reaping. Thirdly, as a gleaner following his walk home across a brook in the evening with a load of sheaves on his head. Lastly, it is represented as a cider presses watching intently the press that squeeze juice out of fruits. The poet then questions, where are the songs of spring? The poet feels that though the beauties of spring are absent in autumn, yet autumn has beauty of its own. Then follows a picture of the stubble fields which are colored red in the crimson light of the setting sun. In autumn, the full grown lambs bleat aloud. The grasshoppers chirp, the robin sings a treble note, and the swallows twitter as they fly in the sky. Thanks for listening. For new videos, don't forget to subscribe my channel. And if you like my videos, please share and like.